The Norwood Portamill is a handy, unique, and low-cost sawmill alternative. Suitable for hobbyists, woodworkers, or backwoods operations, the Portamill's modular-style components make it easy to transport by car, boat, or small plane into remote, hard-to-get-at locations. Setup time is less than 6 minutes, with only one operation that requires a tool. The patented throttle actuator enables the operator to remotely activate the throttle at the push handle location. For tough continuous milling operations, an optional chain oiler is available. The Norwood Portamill comes ready to use with your chainsaw. A normal extension ladder is utilized for the track. The longer your ladder, the longer the log that can be milled. The Portamill comes with a graduated scale with built-in kerf allowance. This enables milling 1-inch and 2-inch boards. The operator can also enter a user-defined scale to his or her requirements. The power of your chainsaw will dictate the diameter and species of log. Chainsaws over 65 cc are recommended. The bigger the saw, the bigger diameter log that can be milled. Because of its light weight and small size, the Norwood Portamill can be shipped by UPS, courier, or the Postal Service to any part of the country.